Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you exactly how you can earn the most amount of coins in Hamster Kombat. So if you have installed the Hamster Kombat application and you joined it in Telegram, you would see this chat over here. So the next step is you click on this chat and click on the play in one click button. So this will load up the application, and once you're here you can click on daily reward in the left side of the screen. And here is a list of all kinds of extra features you can use to earn extra points. It ranges from daily tasks to joining a Telegram channel, joining the X account, but I would highly advise to watch the standard videos of Hamster Kombat and do the local channel subscription, because in total you will earn 300,000 coins with only minimal effort. And this will make sure that you don't have to click a lot of times on the hamster in order to earn enough points. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you